Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace rear motor mount on Honda Odyssey, easy method. First, gather tools, jack, stands, socket set, breaker bar, and torque wrench. Position the vehicle securely on stands and support the engine with a jack and a block of wood. Remove the wheel and access panel to expose the mount. Loosen the mount bolts while supporting engine weight, then replace the mount and torque bolts to spec. Begin by supporting the engine with a jack and a wood block under the oil pan area to avoid damage. Break loose the mount bolts with a breaker bar while the engine is supported, then remove the bolts fully and take out the old mount. Inspect surrounding brackets and bushings for wear and clean the mounting surfaces. Compare the new mount to the old one to confirm correct orientation before installing. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more DIY guides. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use to keep bolts and small parts organized on the workbench. They save time and prevent lost hardware. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want more tips on organization for repairs, stick around. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new mount and thread bolts by hand to ensure proper alignment and avoid cross-threading. Gradually raise the jack to take up engine weight and snug the bolts in a star pattern if applicable. Use a torque wrench to tighten to manufacturer specifications, then lower the engine fully and remove the support. Reinstall the wheel and access panel, reconnect the battery, and start the engine to check for vibrations or noises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.